Hey, what's up guys, here is Ruslan speaking, and today we will try to put the rear backup camera in the 2005 3.2 liter V6 Acura TL that I have purchased recently, like this. Let's go inside and I am going to tell you what to do. Firstly, we need to extract the central console to check whether it is equipped with different kinds of the connectors or not, that is compatible with the AV video output. So to do that, we need to extract this pillar, this stuff, the big one. To do this, I'm going to provide you this kind of tool. I have bought it on eBay or AliExpress. It costs about $3 or $5, so it's just nothing. Let me open the roof. Sorry. It's too hot here, so let's pry over here. Yeah, like this. Do it gently, because not to break something. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's it. So nice and smoothly. The same thing with the second part. Yeah, like this and this. Yes, is there a box inside it? Okay, that's it. No problem. Now we can see there are some Phillips screws up here, there. Now we're going to extract this kind of ducts and the informational display of a climate system. We'll try to pry like this. Okay, no problem. And okay, there is no question, it's quite easy, like a piece of cake. Now we're going to extract this unit. Now I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver in order to extract these screws, to try to extract the navigation unit. Okay, let's see. Also, do not forget these two screws, one on the left side, another on the right side. Phillips screws.